everybody, I'm Teddy T, and you are watching the third episode of WhatsSizzlin. I'm cooking on the Inferno again today, and I'm making a jerk marinated pork tenderloin with a roasted pineapple salsa. Now, typically I'll skewer the pork tenderloin on cubes and cook it on the grill rack here. Today I'm going to use the food tray that comes along with the Inferno. I'm going to chop it up into chunks and let it sit in the marinade. The reason I want to do that is I want the maximum amount of marinade and jerk seasoning on the pork so it really comes through. That way there's more marinade on the pork as it cooks. It's going to be spicy! Hey everybody, thanks for watching. For more information on the Inferno, go to northfire.com. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and check out some of the other videos. See you next time. See you again. See you later. Ciao.